Hey there! Do want to know about a programming language that makes coding fun, simple and easy to learn? So, today, we're talking about Ruby programming language and why it is gem in the programming world. I am sure you didn't know why Ruby is considered a gem in programming languages. If you don't like complex syntax but still want to code, then Ruby is your new best choice. What is Ruby? It is an open-source programming language created by Yukihiro Matsumoto in the mid-90s and designed to make programmers happy by being easy and productive. Where's it used? Ruby powers web development with Ruby on Rails, used by big companies like Airbnb, Shopify, GitHub, etc. Let's talk about core features of Ruby. Mainly, it is simple, readable, dynamic, and flexible programming language. But what makes Ruby truly unique? Ruby's syntax is so intuitive. Its object-oriented nature makes everything is represented as an object that makes it incredibly versatile. With Ruby Gems, you can add new features and functionality instantly that makes development faster and more efficient. Ruby's dynamic typing is perfect for agile software development. For learning Ruby, explore official documentation of Ruby for in-depth knowledge. Join the Ruby community for more support and discussion. And that's it for today's session about Ruby. Enjoy coding and don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and comment on what you want to learn in next video.